Using the metronome this way, you'll be more accurate. A metronome is an essential rhythm calibration tool for every drum student. It has many useful techniques and functions. Today, I'll share them with you. They can help us practice and improve more efficiently. There's another technique for using the metronome. It helps us improve our internal timing. Say you're practicing a long fill in a song, you play through the whole thing. But on the final downbeat, you find you're not locked in with the music. Well, that's pretty disappointing, right? That might be because our internal timing isn't steady enough. Here's a method to help practice that internal timing. First, let's look at the metronome's interface. On the interface, there are 4 pillar-like indicators. They adjust the volume for each beat's click. Typically, the first beat is loudest, and the next 3 are quieter. So what we hear sounds like this. We can use this feature to practice our internal timing. First, mute the sound for the 4th beat. Like this, it's gone. Only the first 3 beats have sound. For the silent 4th beat, you must mentally fill it in. Imagine it in your mind. Practice with a metronome set like this. Over time, your internal timing will become steadier. After practicing for a while, when it feels easier, you can try muting both the 3rd and 4th beats. For a greater challenge, mute beats 2, 3, and 4. Leave only the first beat. If you practice this way, over time, your internal timing will become more accurate. You'll be less likely to rush or drag when playing songs. Those are my tips and methods for using a metronome. I hope they help you. If you have better methods or suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comments. Let's discuss together.